Okay, now let's look into the OCR mode of the extension. So to access this, you just click on the AssisT icon and activate OCR mode. The OCR mode in the extension is flagged as beta. That's basically due to the fact that the accuracy isn't as good as I would expect. So as soon as we get the accuracy up, that beta flag will be removed. To access the extension, all you have to do is click on Capture and Read, or you can use the shortcut Alt-O. To demo, I'm just going to switch to this page, which has a large number of images and no copy. I'm just going to scroll up a little bit, and I'm going to click on the extension and click on Capture and Read. There are three options. There's visible area, full page, and select region. For this particular demo, I'm just going to click on visible area, the image into text. Now the processing has been done. I can just click on this button to play back the text, or I can copy the text and paste it into a different document.